Which temperature is the hottest amongst each other? Means we have to find out between these four which one is the hottest. 1 degree Celsius, 0 degree Celsius, 4 degrees Fahrenheit and 32 degrees Celsius. Here logically you can see that 1 degree, 0 degree and 32 degree. So 32 degree is hottest. So A and B are totally out. Only the problem is C, Fahrenheit. What is this 4 degree Fahrenheit? As we measure the temperature in degrees, scientists measure it in terms of Fahrenheit. Now it is named after the person Daniel Gabriel Fahrenheit. So we need not go into details of that. There are calculators available on Google. Remember, this is the formula. If you have to convert Fahrenheit to Celsius, it's like this. 1 Fahrenheit minus 32 into 5 upon 9 equals to Celsius. But at this level you don't go into this Fahrenheit calculations. So 1 Fahrenheit, I'll just show you. 1 Fahrenheit equals to minus 17.22 degrees centigrade. Celsius basically. 4 Fahrenheit equals to minus 15.55 Celsius. So it is minus 15 degrees Celsius, means it's again coldest. Minus 15 means it is below 0. So this is colder. So which is the hottest then? Only 32 degrees. D is the answer.